My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are talking about a Bittorrent token, friends. In this video I'm talking about the special and urgent update change occur in the Bittorrent token at this time, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, and remember that if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe a Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. If we first of all we talk about the currently price of Bittorrent token, as you can see here, the currently at this time price of Bittorrent token in the market is about 0.006915 USD dollar is the currently price of Bittorrent token. And if we talk about the price change occur in the Bittorrent token, so the price change the last 1 hour change is positive, and except of last 1 hour, both changes are last 1 day, last 1 week changes are in negative range. So now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Bittorrent token, what change goes at this time in a Bittorrent token, and try to do a technical analysis, friends. As you can see here at this time, friends, as I told you in my previous videos that Bitcoin token over and over fast down occurs in a Bitcoin token, friends. And I also tell you the reasons of false Bitcoin token. Anyways, I repeat updates. As you can see here, why they are fast down, it is only one reasons behind that as you know, today is the 4th May. That is why they fast down. It is the start of new month, that is why they fast down, friends. But friends, if we look the current situation of the Bitcoin token at this time, friends, let's zoom it, friends. As you can see here, friends, at this point and this point, friends, as you can see here, so now after a fast, now they are taking jump, friends, and I hope this jump is continued for a long time, friends. Because as you can see here, after a fast there is a jump, and now as I told you that after 1 days again they take a jump, friends. So same like that, now they again take a jump at this time, friends. So what's your opinion about Bitcoin token? Please share your opinion about Bitcoin token. Can this jump continue for a long term or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box, friends. And if we look the price change occur in the Bitcoin token, so negative 4.94% change occur in the Bitcoin token, and the highest price is about 0.0728 USD dollar is the currently highest price, friends. Soon I think for tomorrow the change become positive and high positive, approximately positive 5% something change occur positive in a Bitcoin token for tomorrow, friends. So now it's a jumping time of Bitcoin token starts now for you, friends. Keep support us and click the subscribe button for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.